Hello students, welcome to the video class of the new chapter, that is set theory. Actually, what do you mean by set? What is the literal meaning of sets? The literal meaning of the set is that is collection of some uniform objects, homogeneous objects. So, actually, who is the father of set theory? German mathematician, that is father of mathematician, father of set theory, father of set theory is german mathematician, german german mathematician George Cantor, that is George Cantor is the father of set theory. According to him, that is definition of set theory, the the collection of well-defined well-defined the collection of well-defined distinct means different, distinct means what? Different objects or objects is called a set. What is actually meaning of collection well-defined distinct objects? Well-defined distinct object. Distinct means what? Different. What do you mean by well-defined? Well-defined means it identify the nature of the objects. For example, which of the following are sets? Which of the following are sets? Number one, collection of natural number less than 10. Collection of natural number less than 10. This is a set. It is a set because the elements are well defined, because the elements, the objects are what? Objects are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is well defined. So it is a set. Now, collection of number 2, collection of what? Collection of natural numbers means what? Those numbers are counted, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot dot are called natural numbers. Okay. Then what is number example 2? Example 2, this is what? Example 2, collection of books of +2 science first year. It is well defined. It is also a set. It is also a set. Number 3, collection of collection of big rivers of India, collection of big rivers of India. It is not said, it is not said because the word big is not well defined. Actually, the word big is not well defined because at what corner the rivers are big, either width or length cannot be mentioned here, or depth cannot be mentioned here. ଏଠି କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି, ରିଭର୍ସର ଲେନ୍ଥ କଥା କହୁନି, ରିଭର୍ସର ୱିଡ୍ଥ କଥା ଚଉଡ଼ା କଥା କହୁନି, ରିଭର୍ସର ଡେପ୍ଥ କଥା କହୁନି, ମିନ୍ସ ଗଭୀରତା ବିଷୟରେ କିଛି କହୁନି, ତ କିଛି କ୍ଲିଅରଲି ମେନସନ୍ ହେଇନି. ସୋ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ୱେଲ୍ ଡିଫାଇନ୍ଡ, ସୋ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ଏ ସେଟ୍. ସୋ it is not a set. So it is not a set. Clear? Then notation of sets. Notation of sets. Sets are denoted by the letters. Sets are denoted by the letters. Notation of sets. Sets are denoted by the letters. Sets are denoted by the letters. A, B, C, etc. Okay, A, B, C, etc. Some question for you, that is, which of the following are sets or not? Homework for you. Questions based on definition of the set. Collection of big animals in India. The word is well defined. Big is not well defined. The word big is not well defined. This is not well defined. Not well defined. So it is not set. This is not set. Prime numbers. Prime numbers means what? Those numbers having only two factors. What is prime numbers? Prime numbers means what? Prime numbers. Prime numbers means what? Those number is divisible by itself and 1. Those numbers are divisible by itself or and 1 only. So what are the prime numbers? Prime numbers means what? 2, example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, like this. So these are well defined. So collection of what? Prime number. This is well defined, so it is a set. It is a set. Now collection of good students. The word good is not well defined. The word good is not well defined because at what corner and how he is good and at what angle that student is good, either academic or physic or what, or by nature, at what corner, at which corner the student is good is not mentioned here. Okay, को corner ru se good अच्छी it mention ହେଇନି, so it is not a set. So it is not a set. Not a set. Collection of factors of 20. Factors means what? Factors, 20 ro factors. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. These are factors of the 20. So it is called as well defined. So it is a set. It is a set. Now collection of people in India who will live 60 years. This is not certainty. Who will 60 years cannot be determined. So it is not a set. It is not a set. These are the some questions related to what? Definition of the sets. Now symbols used in set theory. Some standard sets, some sets and their symbol or notations. So some set of natural number, set of natural numbers, set of natural numbers, that is capital N. Number 2, set of whole numbers. Natural numbers means what? N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 dot like this. Whole numbers W or what? N star. N star is equal to starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dot. Then set of natural number, whole numbers. Then set of integers, that is Z. Z is equal to what? Z is equal to, that is Z is equal to P what? 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 like this. Then set of positive integers, set of positive integers, that is Z plus is equal to what? Natural number. Set of negative integers, set of negative integers, set of negative integers is denoted by Z minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like this. And this is rational, this is natural number, whole number, integers. Okay. Then 6 is set of rational numbers, set of rational numbers is equal to Q, P by Q, such that Q not equal to 0, P comma Q belongs to set of integer. Set of positive rational number Q plus, set of positive rational number, that is Q plus, set of negative rational number, set of negative rational number, that is Q minus, and set of irrational number, that is what? Q dash. Example root 2, root 3, example root 2, root 3, 1.2516 dot. These are the irrational numbers. Okay, these are the irrational numbers. Clear? So set of what? This is 9 and 10 is what? Set of a real number. 10 is set of real numbers. set of real numbers. 10 is set of real numbers. So denoted by what? Capital R. Set of positive real number. Set of positive real numbers. R plus set of negative real number. R minus, okay, set of complex number is what? C. Set of complex number is equal to C. Set of complex number is equal to C, design C, that is like this C. Okay, now symbols used in set theory. This is what? This is belongs to or elements. This is what? Belongs to or element of. For example, X belongs to, this read as X belongs to A. Where A is a set, this reads what? X belongs to A. X belongs to A. Okay, so this is not belongs to. This is does not belong. Does not or if singular, that is does not or do not belong to. This is what? This is equal to similar or equivalent, and this is what? This is equal to, and this is what? This is cardinality number, and this is cardinality number, this is subset, and this is proper subset, and this is what? Superset. These are some fundamental symbols used in set theory. Okay, now representation of sets. Representation of set. Number 1, a set, that is a set can be represented in two methods. Number 1, roster method. Number 2, what is what? Roster method, or this is called tabular method. Roster method or what? Tabular method. Number 2, set builder method. Number 2, what? Set builder method. Number 2, set builder method, or by property method. Set builder method or property method. Set builder method or what? Set builder method or property method. For the common student, it is what? Define roster method, define set builder method. Definition is required for the common students. Okay, so define roster method and define set builder method, 2 mark question for common students. Okay, now what is roster method or tabular method? Definition. roster method or tabular method. Roster method or tabular method. In this method, the elements of the set, all elements in this method, all elements of the set are written in between curly brackets, and each element being separated by comma. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3. This is tabular method, or that is either 3 elements and each are separated by comma and each are inside the curly bracket. So it is roster method. It's called roster method. Note. Roster method is also called tabular method, enumerative method, exhaustive method, extension method. Same, that is extension method, listed method or listing method, etc. Now, what is set builder method? In this method, that is set builder method. In this method, the common property of all elements is expressed using a variable x or n as following manner. That is what? Suppose that A is equal to x such that x belongs to the x such that property of x, p of x, property of x. That is what? Property of x. Or A is equal to n such that property of the element n. Okay, for example, A is equal to suppose 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8. This is what? This is tabular form. Now, set builder form is what? Set builder form. The answer may be what? A is equal to x such that x is equal to 2n, n belongs to set of natural number, and n less than equal to what? 4. Or we can say, or we can say A is equal to x such that x is a positive even natural number. number less than 9. So many different types of, we can write the set in set builder form. This is now other name of set builder method is what? Set builder method is also known as, note, set builder method is also known as property method, descriptive method, okay, intention method, rule method, etc. Okay. Now some questions related to this concept. Now write the following sets in roster form, that is tabular form. Number 1 is what? Set of natural number less than 6. Set of natural number less than 6, that is natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, less than equal to 6. This is answer. And set of the month years that have 31 days. January. So this is answer is what? 31 days. So this is first bit and this is second bit. Starting with what? Set of month of years that have 31 days. So January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. Okay, these are the days. 31 days, having 31 days. Now set of prime numbers less than 10. Answer of question number 3. Prime numbers means in Odia it is called Maulika Sikhya. So prime numbers less than 10, that is what? That is 2, 3, 5, 7. Then fourth bit, this is first and this is second and this is third and fourth bit. Answer of x square such that x less than 5. So x is equal to, suppose 0, x is equal to 1, so plus 1 minus 1, so plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4. These are the answers. Set of even number. So even means 0 is even. Those numbers divided by 2 is called even numbers. So 0 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 4, like this. These are the answers of this type question. Now this is roster form. Now set builder form. Then these are question write in set builder method. A equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this solution answer is what? That is solution. So number 1 answer, A is equal to in set builder method, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are common properties. What? The common property is natural number. So x such that x is equal to what? X such that x belongs to natural number and x lies between and x less than or equal to 6. These are what? This is multiple of 3. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12. So b is equal to what? B is equal to x such that x is equal to 3n, n belongs to whole number, that is w, and n less than n belongs to w. Now this is what? And third bit, this is 2, this is 2, and 3 bit is what? This is 3 to the 0, 3 to the 1, 3 to the 2, 3 to the 4. So c is equal to x such that x is equal to 3 to the n, and n belongs to w, n less than or equal to what? 3. And d is what? Solution of that is 4. D is equal to x such that x is equal to 1 by what? 1 by n. So 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, like this. These are the set builder form of this question. Okay. Now cardinality of a set. Cardinality of a set. Cardinality of a set means number of elements present in the set. Let A be a set, then cardinality of A is denoted by this symbol. This is cardinality of A, or n of A means number of elements present in A. Then cardinality of A is equal to means or equal to number of different elements. Repetition is not allowed. Number of different elements present in the set A. Number of different elements present in the set A. For example, suppose A is equal to A, B, C. Then cardinality of A is equal to what? Cardinality of A is equal to 1, 2, 3. 3 number of elements. So cardinality of A equal to 3. Suppose B is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Then cardinality of A is equal to what? Or 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then B mod is equal to 4. Suppose C is equal to A. Then C mod is equal to what? Suppose C is equal to what? Suppose C is equal to here B mod is equal to what? And suppose C is equal to what? Suppose C is equal to 1 to A, B, C. Suppose this is. Now suppose C is equal to A. So C mod is equal to what? 1. Clear? Suppose C is equal to 1, 2, 3. Then C mod is equal to 3. If repeated, the elements are repeated, then count as 1. Suppose there are A, 3 A's. Then consider this is single element. Okay. Then another types of sets. Types of sets. Number one, finite sets. If the number of elements elements of a set is finite, then the set is called finite sets. Finite sets. For example, suppose a is equal to 1, 2, 3 dot dot up to 10. Number of elements is finite. Here number of element is what? 10. So it is finite sets. Number 2, infinite sets. Infinite sets. A set if the number of elements is uncountable, if the number of elements of a set is not finite, then it is called infinite sets. For example, set of natural number n 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot. There is no endpoints and there is no last elements cannot be decided. The last element cannot be decided, so it is infinite sets. Finite set, infinite set, then singleton set. What is singleton set? A set having only one element is called singleton set. A set having only one element is called singleton set. Singleton sets. Singleton set. The set having only one element. The set having only one element is called singleton set. Singleton sets. Example, A is equal to suppose single element and B is equal to suppose single element and C is equal to suppose single element. These are singleton sets. Okay. So first is finite set, number 2 is infinite set, number 3 is singleton. Number 4, empty sets or null sets or void sets. The set having no elements. The set having no elements. The set having no elements is called empty sets. Empty sets or void sets or null sets. Okay, for example, example of empty sets. Example of empty sets. Example of empty sets. Example of empty sets. X such that x not equal to x, where x belongs to R. एमती गोटे रियल नंबर को जीरो सहित इक्वल ना सेमती किसी संभव ना तो नो एलिमेंट सो दिस इज एम्प्टी सेट. ओके एम्प्टी सेट. X number 2 x such that x belongs to n, x less than 1. एमती नेचुरल नंबर को जाटा 1 टू लेस थी किसी एलिमेंट नहीं तो एम्प्टी सेट्स और एम्प्टी सेट्स नोट एम्प्टी set is denoted by the Greek letter that is phi. This is phi. Phi means what? Phi means only empty. Okay. Number 2, phi not equal to set phi. Phi not equal to, that is these two are not equal because this is empty bracket empty set and it is in singleton set. Then this is the empty sets and another type of the sets, equivalent sets. Equivalent sets. Equivalent sets means two sets A and B are said to be equivalent if cardinality of A is equal to cardinality of B. For example, suppose A is equal to A, B, C and B is equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So number of element here what? 3. A set कितना element है? 3. Number of element कितना है? 3. So cardinality of A is equal to cardinality of B. So the A similar to B, that equivalent set or what? Similar set. We can say similar set. Two sets A and B are said to equivalent or similar if cardinality of A is equal to cardinality of B and denoted by A similar to B or A equivalent to B. Now equal sets. Equal sets two sets A and B are said to equal. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if cardinality of A is equal to cardinality of B and each elements and the elements are same. Elements of set A and set B are same. Okay. Two sets are A and B are said to be equal if cardinality of A equal to cardinality of B and elements of A and B are same. Suppose example here, example A is equal to suppose 1, 2, 3, okay, and B is equal to x such that x minus 1, x minus 2 into x minus 3, x is equal to 0. Here A is equal to B because A equal to 1, 2, 3 and solve this x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 equal to 0, that is x equal to 1, x equal to 2 and x equal to 3. So B is also what? 1, 2, 3. So A equal to B. Overlapping sets. Two sets are said to be overlapping if there is if there is if there is at least one element common, then two sets are said to be overlapping sets. This is overlapping sets. Okay, overlapping set A B, overlapping sets. Then what is disjoint set? Disjoint set, that is example A is equal to here 1 2 3 and B is equal to suppose 3 4 5. This is overlapping set. Then disjoint set. Disjoint set. Two sets are said to be disjoint. Disjoint if they have no common elements. If they have no common elements. Common elements. Example A is equal to ABC and B is equal to DEF. A and B are disjoint. A and B are disjoint. No common element. Disjoint means what? No common element. Disjoint means what? No common element. Then subsets. Subsets. The symbol is like this, subset symbol. The set A is said to be subset of set B if every element of set A are also the elements of set B. Okay, here cardinality of A less than or equal to cardinality of B, that is, and denoted by A subset B. A set A is said to be subset of set B if every element of set A are also the elements of set B. Then we can say A is subset of B and denoted by this. Here one thing note, here A subset B. Here if A subset B, then cardinality of A less than or equal to cardinality of B. This is important. Cardinality of A less than or equal to the cardinality of B. For example, here example A is equal to 1 2 and B is equal to 1 2 3. Here A subset B. Then A subset B, we can say A subset B. This is also A subset B. A equal to suppose 1 2 3 and number 2 is B is equal to also B is equal to suppose 1 2 3. Equal sets are subset of each other. Here also we can say here we can say A is subset of B. So equal sets are subsets. Now some important notes regarding subsets. Every set is subset of itself. Every set is subset of itself. That is A subset A, B subset B, like this. Number 2, phi is every set. Phi is subset of every set. Number 3, Number 3, every set must be at least two subsets. Every set must be at least two subsets. That is phi and itself. Okay. The smallest subset of any set is phi. Okay. And number 5, if A subset B subset A, then A is equal to B. This is very, very important. If A subset B and B subset A, then we can say A is equal to B. These are the subsets, fact of the subset, and what is proper subset. Proper subset, the symbol is like this. Okay. The set A is said to be proper subset if if elements of A, all elements of A are present in set B, and cardinality of A less than cardinality of B. All elements of set A are present in set B, and cardinality of A less than cardinality of B, and denoted by what? Denoted by this is A proper subset B. For example, here A is equal to 1, 2, B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we can A proper subset B. It is also A subset B, but in sense of in proper subset, A proper subset B, A is obviously A is surely less than the number of element of A is surely less than the number of element of set B. But in case of proper subset, the number of element may be equal or less. Okay. Now some facts regarding to the proper subset. A set is not a set is not proper subset of itself. A set is not proper subset of itself. Okay. Empty set is, or phi, that is empty set is proper subset of every set except itself. Okay. Empty set is proper subset of every set except itself. Okay. Empty set has no proper subset. Empty set, that is phi, has no proper subset because it is the smallest subset, so it has no proper subsets. These are the some types of the sets. In last class, we'll discuss that is what is power set, application, and what is and operation of sets. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.